Priorities. How to play. The object of the game is to collect cards to spell out the word priorities before the game does. Shuffle the deck and place it face up on the table. Pick a player to go first, then turns rotate clockwise. On your turn, you are the target player. Take the whiteboard and marker and deal 5 cards face up on the table for everyone to see. Without touching the cards or giving any hints, you must rank the 5 cards on your whiteboard in order of personal preference from 1 to 5, 1 being the most preferred and 5 being the least. You must rank them honestly. To save time writing, you can use the numbers on the cards instead of writing the words. Once you are finished, place your board face down on the table, and the other players now work together to arrange the cards from top to bottom in the order they think matches the target player. The target player is not allowed to speak or make any indication towards correct answers. Once the group agrees on the order, the target player flips their whiteboard face up and the rankings are compared. Every correctly ranked card is won by the players and placed face down to one side, while all the incorrectly ranked cards are won by the game and are placed face down to the other side. Using the letters on the back of the cards, try to spell out the word priorities before the game does. You can play with points instead if you like, by earning points for incorrect answers. Receive 1 point for each distance space an incorrect card is away from its correct location. Add up all the points after a predetermined number of rounds to see how you score.